What can be more beautiful than soap? Soap that looks like makeup. Felicity Bubble is having a very scary dream. Her friend offers to do her makeup and ruins her whole life. Oh my goodness! I'm a makeup monster! Felicity wakes up from her nightmare and goes back to work. She was just testing her new soap that looks like makeup products. Let's get to work. Shape a partition between the bristles and the handle in a detachable makeup brush mold with hot glue. Melt white soap base to fill the handle. Add makeup glitter and purple soap coloring. Pour the soap into both halves of the handle mold, sprinkled with rubbing alcohol. When it sets, remove the glue partition. Make holes in the handle so the soap sticks together. And pour in melted soap base with brown food coloring into the bristle partition. Scratch the top layer when the soap hardens. Sprinkle them with rubbing alcohol and join them together using melted soap. Smooth out the joining with a knife. Felicity Bubble starts her soap test. For starters, we will check the elasticity of the bristles. And now let's estimate the flexibility of the handle. What a nice result! Jessica comes to Bubbles' lab. That's the friend from her dream, the one that loves horrible makeup. Just don't touch anything in here. And first of all, you should wash your hands with this brush-shaped soap. Jessica's hands are clean for all her beauty treatments now. Felicity Bubble continues her soap experiments. Let's mix the extract of soap bubbles with an antibacterial product and fill a pipette with positive thoughts. Jessica slightly improves the recipe and adds a pinch of beauty while Felicity is distracted. Oh, what's going to happen? Our courageous Bubble takes out the result of the experiment. It's a soap mirror. Dissolve orange soap coloring and pearly makeup pigment in melted white soap base. Fill a pipette with it and pour it into a mirror mold. Fill the pattern on the frame and the handle. Remove the excess with a wooden skewer when the soap hardens. Add a large amount of soap coloring to melted white soap base. Sprinkle the mold with rubbing alcohol and fill in the frame and the handle. Put makeup glitter into melted clear soap base. Stir it and pour it into the main part of the mirror. Remove the drippings on the sides and scratch the top layer of the soap. Sprinkle it with alcohol and fill the mold up to the top with orange soap base. Mirror, mirror on the wall, who didn't wash their hands? Jessica can conduct some experiments on her soap mirror as the creator. These shreds are so soft and gentle. The experiment is a success, and Jessica is so proud of her soap invention. Jessica asked the soap inventor to turn her favorite eyeshadow into soap. Challenge accepted! Let's get started! The girls mix soap and beauty ingredients to get a unique product. Soap eyeshadow. Coat the bottom of a clear plastic organizer with black acrylic paint. Rub in pearly pigment using a sponge when the paint is dry. Add a layer of matte acrylic polish. Stick in partitions between cells of the organizer. Mix melted white soap base with pearly blue makeup pigment. Sprinkle the mold with rubbing alcohol and pour the blue soap into the first cell. Mix soap base with different makeup pigments and soap colorings to fill the rest of the cells. Take out the partitions when the soap hardens and stick them into the next row. Fill the entire palette with colored soap. Remove the partitions and refrigerate the soap. Take the ready soap out of the palette. Even out the shape of each piece with a knife. Clean the organizer from soap remains and put the ready soap eyeshadow into it. Decorate the lid with a printed label. Bubble creates a whole palette of bright and beautiful soap. It looks exactly like eyeshadow, but the scientists have to test the product. Let's check its softness with a makeup grater. The shreds are so light and sparkly. And we will test the thickness of the soap eyeshadow with a special nozzle. We can see our bright future in soap science through this soap eyeshadow. Jessica has scattered all of her makeup around the lab. She doesn't respect science at all. Bubble will teach her a lesson. She will turn her beloved EOS into a mini soap. Microwave clear soap base. Add pink soap coloring and makeup glitter. Sprinkle a round mold with alcohol and pour the soap onto the bottom. Take the soap out of the mold when it's slightly set but still soft. Quickly cut out a spiral and roll up a little rose. Take the grid out of an old EOS container. Pour some clear soap base into the cap and stick in the rose. Put the grid back and fill the container with soap base to the top. Close the EOS and let the soap harden. Jessica wants to apply some EOS to her lips, but it doesn't go well. Ew, gross! This soap isn't tasty at all. Jessica is preparing a revenge prank. This magical face wash will make your skin feel clean for a long time. A very long time. Take a foaming bottle for liquid soap. Color the cap with plastic spray paint. Put dried heather and lavender flowers into the bottle. Add some food coloring to liquid soap base. It lets the soap stay clear. Stir it. Add perfume oil. Pour the soap into the bottle. Attach a printed Chanel label. Apply the face wash to the face and massage it. Wow! It keeps making foam. This is liquid soap. It's a tie-in soap pranks. Jessica is creating a new kind of soap under the guidance of her soap guru. Mix beauty with some aesthetics and even, ugh, some positive thoughts. No, not so many thoughts. Add some foam party extract. And here it is, our beautiful new soap. A face powder appears from the foam, just like Aphrodite. Take a detachable mold of a powder compact. Add brown soap coloring to clear soap base and pour it into 1/2 of the mold. Pour white soap base with pink soap coloring and pearly makeup pigment into the other half. Let the soap harden. Clean the excess off the edges. Scratch the top layer with a wooden skewer. Chop white soap base and microwave it. Add pearly makeup pigment and soap colorings. Sprinkle the soap in the molds with alcohol and fill them up to the top. Take out 2 halves. Scratch the inside. Sprinkle it with alcohol and join the halves of the powder compact with melted soap. Even out the joining with a knife. This soap powder compact is the best combination of makeup and soap. It's so glittering and sophisticated. Our kind-hearted Felicity Bubble lets her friend take the results of the experiment. She deserves this soap face powder. Did you like our soap experiments? Then let us know in the comments which makeup-shaped soap you like the most. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell so that you don't miss new soap ideas on Troom Troom.